Now that we have the stem geometry in our master model, we can actually use that to add geometry to our base and our leg. Let's start with the base. I'll open that up. Now, this is going to be a little bit different in SOLIDWORKS 2013 as opposed to SOLIDWORKS 2012, as several of our features have been. First of all, when we created this, let's open up our master model import feature. And all we imported were surface bodies. We're also going to need those unabsorbed sketches now in order to get to that piece of geometry. Now, this is where things depart between SOLIDWORKS 2012 and 2013. I'm going to do it the 2013 way, which is super easy. And then I'll show you the slightly more laborious 2012 version of this. So let's go to our Surfaces tab and do a revolved surface. And I'm going to revolve this sketch around its own axis and hit OK. Now, in SOLIDWORKS 2013, in the Features tab, there's a brand new tool called Intersect. And this is an extremely cool tool. It's where I could take this surface body, this solid body, click on Intersect, and then click on any part that I want to get rid of, like this one, for example. So it turns red. Click OK. And it removes that part and adds material in any other place. So if I hide that surface body, you see that now my solid body comes all the way up. I'm done. My feature is complete. It has both removed material and added material in one single step, which is what the Intersect tool is all about. It has just saved us a whole bunch of time and energy. Great. We're all done. Now, but you might not be using SOLIDWORKS 2013, so let's take a couple of steps back. I'll delete that surface revolve, and we'll do this the old-fashioned way, which will require a few more steps. So let's go to the right plane and create a sketch. Select this line and this line. We'll convert those entities into this sketch and add one more line coming straight to the middle and close that up. And I'm going to do a Features, Revolved Boss, revolve around the center. Yes, I will merge result and hit OK. And now we're part of the way there. We'll go to our right plane again, create another sketch. Let's grab this line and convert those entities in. We'll grab our line tool, come straight up and close this guy off. And head up to the Features tab and head over to Revolved Cut, because we're removing material rather than adding it this time. Grab a center line, hit OK, and we now have the same result. I can hide that sketch, and we have a result that works. Clearly, if you're using 2013, the first method is way faster and simpler. It is just really nice. If you're using 2012 or earlier, the latter method is going to work just fine for you as well. Let's close this up, head back to our assembly, and do the other half on the leg. So I'll open this up, head to the right view, and this one is just going to be the exact opposite. It's the exact same thing in reverse. So if you're using 2012 or earlier, you can use the exact same method, converting edges into a sketch and then creating a revolved boss to create the male portion of this, and then a revolved cut to do the female part of this. But for me, I'm going to go to my surfaces, revolve surface, revolve this around, hit OK. Once again, let's do our features, intersect. We'll intersect these two things, and then click the parts we want to get rid of, which is just that hole. Hit OK, and I am all done, folks. Hide this, head back to our assembly, and we now have a feature in each one of these. Now, there's going to be some tolerancing issues, but we'll get to those in the next video.